This is the first ever jewelry jar I've ever gotten since I have moved to the United States a few months ago. I've heard about and watched a lot of people unboxing Jolly Hit. This is all new jewelry. When I'm closer to my birthday, I will be on the hunt for another jar on Depop. It will be more focused on vintage. Let's see what Jolly Hit has to offer. Freebies, stickers. Oh, I do like this one a little bit more. And a card from Jolly Hit. So they're all individually packed. Cool, it's the kind of necklace I kind of like. I know it looks like black, but it's actually very deep crimson maroon red. I do like the chain that is not too dainty. By the way, this side is keep, this side is not keep, so this one is a keep. I see earrings, so these are definitely aloe. So it's kind of like a heart and pineapple. I think I will probably wear them. I will keep. Let's get into the actual jar. If I remember right, they're usually not really glass jars, they're plastic jars, and everything is individually wrapped. I'm gonna do what Patricia does. And they are sealed. Hey, it's a ring. I was a little scared of the ring. My fingers are really small. Oh. Okay, it's a nice purple ring and it's adjustable, so it fits. So this one is definitely a keep. They are like tassel earrings, copper colored with some dangly fluorescent mimicry of, I suppose, crystals. I would actually wear it. Keep. It's earring again, which is good. I'm an earring girl. I've seen people get this before. There you go. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep. It's not my favorite kind of style because it will get caught in my hair pretty easily, but oh, it's a big ring. Oh, I hope it fits. Gemstones. Oh, it's adjustable. Thank goodness. I think it'll work. I will wear. Another ring. Okay, this one is adjustable as well. Very good. And it is a simple but also intricate design of what looks like peacock feathers or sea waves. Yeah, it fits fine. I can definitely layer it. So I will keep. I'm not huge on bracelets. This is the only bracelet I wear. I made it for myself for my year of the snake. Here's another ring. Oh, this one is kind of simple. I'll probably give it to my best friend. Hearts with butterflies. In a dark hairs background, it pops. Keep, for sure. Cool ring, I do like it. Oh, it's not adjustable. Oh, can you do that, please? Thank you. Barely fits my index finger. I might get ring adjusters for this. Got a hand at the side. Can you guys see? That's so cool. I'm keeping it. Dangly, dangly. But it's another tassel earring. Kind of feels like chandelier. And it pops in my hair, so definitely keep. Snake! I've seen people get this one. And it's really fitting because I am a snake in Chinese zodiac. Oops. So have to be very careful. I am a snake. I've got snake earrings. I've got snake rings. I've got snake necklaces. I'm going for sure. Okay, found the match to the witchy, Illuminati, plus moon kind of ring, kind of earring. Yeah, I would definitely wear. Oh, I saw this ring and I'm definitely having it. But I love that it's got black lace. I'm gonna put it on actually, because it's adjustable. So take a look at this. Isn't that cool? Oh, that's nice. So speaking of roses, very nice. It's a set, I can wear it as a set. This is a little bit more boho chandelier earrings as well. I do like this. It's a little bit more warm toned. Fantastic. Oh, a bracelet. It is cool. It's a charm bracelet with a bunch of pretty witchy stuff. Okay, this is actually pretty cool. I might get out of my comfort zone and try to wear it in a few times and maybe I'll give it to my friend. So it's a keep for now. It's another bracelet. So this one is a little bit more fairy, I would say. I'm not about this, so I'm gonna probably give it to my best friend. This is a choker. I hope it's a choker. I don't like the color of it. I do like the pendant. I am not sure if I like this color. You know what? I have to up my choker game. I'll give it a go. Okay, a very dainty ring. It's not my favorite. I'm gonna put it to not keep for now. Oh, I like this ring. Oh, it's too big. It's very beautiful, but it's definitely too big. It doesn't even fit my thumb. I'm gonna put it in keep for now. This is just a golden wheel. Adjustable, and it even fits my left hand, so that one I will keep. Tiniest necklace ever. Oh, I have the exact same necklace. So I got the exact one back in China, and I'll probably give it to my best friend. Okay, this is a necklace, butterfly, and there's a dangly thing. This is a very simple ring. Look at this. Now I'll probably give it to my friend. All right, we have another pair of earrings that I'm definitely going to keep. Hand holding a sun, I like that. 2/3 of the way through. Not a lot of necklaces, which is disappointing. Yes, it is a necklace and I will keep this one. Pretty cool. The length is preferred. I do like it. So I'm keeping this one. I haven't seen people put out this one yet. A crescent moon on his chest. My spirit animal is a moon snake. It's gonna sit right here, which is cool. I'll keep that. This is a statement piece. Wow, it's long. So it's very, in Chinese we will call it 少数民族. It's very minority, like Chinese minority style. It's way too long. I'm probably gonna have to wear it right up here. It's not my usual style, but I'll give it a go. All right, we're at the bottom, guys. There's a lot of stars and crescent moon again, and the length is pretty nice. It will sit right about here. Dark always looks good on me, so keeping this one. I've seen people get this before. Cool, because it's short and it has all kinds of moons and stars and they actually sparkle. And it's gonna sit right about here. Moon snake, that's me. Okay, this is a very simple necklace. I'm probably not gonna keep. It's a pink pendant. I don't wear pink. Pink doesn't agree with me very much and it's very simple. I kept 26, which is pretty good. I have one necklace that I actually had to repeat. So I'm giving 6 of them to my friend. I'm gonna throw some of the Jolly Hit pieces on. I do like this one a little bit more, so I went for a sun look and I finally figured out how to wear this one. And I'll see you guys next time when I open my birthday jewelry jar that is actually vintage from the United States, where vintage stuff is good.